Good morning, my friends. It's Tuesday, June 9th. Thanks for joining me. Today we're going to be doing a writing block where we're looking at some animal research, and we're going to continue to add some more facts, and we're going to complete a second page of our animal research project. You can follow along while I'm doing the video on my animal for today, which is a koala, but then you would do your animal facts and your research page based on the animal that you chose. You're going to stick to one animal for the whole week so that at the end of the week you have an animal report. I am going to model a different animal every day so that you have some resources available online for you in case one of those animals happens to be your animal, but also to give you an idea what kind of resources to look for. You want to look for books and fact lists and some videos that are kid appropriate, and I have a lot of those posted under optional activities this week. Ask your parents to take a look at the weekly schedule, and they'll see a lot of links there that they could use to help you. Our calendar today, we're going to be looking at our birthdays, and we're going to be filling in our day for today. Our number of the day is 25. And in math, I'm going to be going through another MIPI test for you to see the questions and remember some of the math that we did earlier in the year. There are stories and videos online about koalas today. So go ahead, my friends. Don't forget to read for 20 minutes today, and also take a look at some of our seesaw pictures from throughout the year and start adding them to our slideshow, A Walk Down Memory Lane, for presenting next week at our Walk Down Memory Lane all about grade 1 week. If you don't have your calendar ready, grab it and join me for calendar. You can pause the video while you do that. There's still some coloring to do on your June page, and then you're going to join me to write today's date, which is number 9. 9 starts like a secret C letter, but in the top half of the line, and then it has a back that is straight and twice as tall. So secret C, and then up and down low for a beautiful straight number 9. When you do the curvy ones, they start to look like zeros and weird 6s. So just looking at our calendar, we want to say happy birthday to Elsa, who was on the 3rd of June. Happy birthday to Zach, who was just on the weekend on Sunday the 7th. And happy birthday to Alan Mattel, whose birthday is going to be on the 16th. We want to say a special happy birthday to Damiano, whose birthday is July 11th. To Mark, whose birthday is July 23rd. And Ella's, who's August 2nd. And Aaron B., who is August 13th. Don't forget, on the 19th, we're going to have Indigenous Day activities posted all day. There will be a Google Meet at 9:30 in the morning for us to go through a slideshow I created for you, a little bit about some of our awesome writing this year. And Father's Day is on the 21st, so take some time to have a special something with your special man in your life, or the man or the person who acts as your father in your life, or your father in your life, and you get some chance to spend time with him on that day and let him know how much you appreciate them. Turn over, my friends, and you're going to find the number 9 to color on your glove, and I see that it is hidden here in the baseball, so you may want to color it a color. You might want to leave it white. And then the weather today is sunny, my friends, so let's add a nice sunny tally mark. And we'll need yellow so that we can color sunny in one sunny bar on our bar graph. We're doing 2-digit numbers today in our number of the day. So our number of the day today is number 38. So flip with me to your nearest empty number of the day page. And we're going to put 38 right in here, a 3 and a beautiful 8. We're going to decide if it's even and odd just by looking at the 8. The 1 digit will always tell us if it's even or odd. I know I can get to 8 counting by 2s, and I know that there's a double problem that is 4 plus 4 equals 8. So I know that this number is even. I have no 100s. I'm going to put a 0. I have 3 10s, and I have 8 1s to make 38. In the word form, it is 2 words. It is the word thir, T-H-I-R, T-Y, 30. And then 8, not like I ate a cookie, A-T-E, but that weird spelling 8 for the number E-I-G-H-T to spell 8, 38. We're going to put 38 in the middle, and then we're going to add one more and take one away. 38 plus 1 is 39. 38 minus 1 is 37. And then we're going to add 10 more. When we add 10, we just need to add a 10 to the tens column. So 3 becomes 4 tens, and the 8 stays the same. When we take it away, we take 10 away from the tens column. So 3 becomes 2, 30 becomes 20, and the 8 stays the same. And we have 28 is 10 less, and 48 is 10 more. When we expand the 4, we have 0 in the 100s. We have 30 in the tens in the next box, and we have 8 in the ones to give us 30 plus 8 equals 38. It's even, so we know that we're going to have a half. So half of 38. I'm going to do my blocks first and then show you a quick way to find out half. So we don't have any hundreds. We're going to have 3 tens columns. Color them in a little bit neater than me in the big 10 bars. They call them 10 bars. And we're going to have 8 in there. So what I'm going to do, my friends, is I'm going to color half of that in red. Oh, I missed one of my bars. That's me rushing. We need 3 bars colored. So I'm going to work my way through coloring half in red. So I'm going to color 1 bar in red. And I'm going to color half a bar in red. That would be 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 in red out of my 10. So I've got 10 in red, and I've got 5 in red, and I've got 10 in black, and I've got 5 in black. Now I have to color half of my single cubes. So I've got 8 single cubes, which means 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Boys and girls, I'm not counting well. There's 8 cubes. So 1, 2, 3, 4 is half of 8. So I'm going to color those. So my friends, I colored half of my 10 rods, and I colored half of my cubes. Now when I count them all together, I'll know what half of 38 is. So I've got 10, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19. So half of 38 is 19. And that's a nice way that the visual, the picture, can help us figure out what's half. When I'm using the digits to make a small number, I'm not going to use my 0 anymore to make my smallest number. My smallest number is going to be 3. We just pretend 0, 3, and 8 are just a bunch of numbers we got, and 3 is the smallest number I could make. The biggest number I could make is going to be 830. So I'm going to use all 3 digits, and I'm going to use 0 as a placeholder, and I'm going to get 830 as my biggest number. So if I just gave you the numbers 3, 8, and 0, what kind of numbers how could you put them together to make large and small numbers? And that's how we would do that. Very nice, my friends. Our calendar is done. Our number of the day is done. Go ahead, please, today and listen to the stories and watch the videos about koalas, and then join me later to do our writing assignment. If you're researching a different animal, do listen to some stories and watch some videos about your different animal today, some different ones, so you can try to find some new facts, okay? Have a great day. Join me for our math test. We're just going through that together. And then there is a Noggle board posted for you today if you want to do some adding and subtraction questions. And there's also a make a word. How many words can you make out of the word? I can't remember what word I have today. So it's posted what words you're going to be using letters to make lots of words for today. Have a wonderful Tuesday, my friends.